First fish of the day. Little largemouth on the top water. First cast. Let's get the release. Grab the pliers. Let this guy go. There's one. Oh, oh my gosh. Dude. It jumped and it spit it. Looked like a little smallie. Right off that log, right in front of it. Yeah. There's another one. Oh, my Senko. Is that a large? I think it's a largie. Another largie? Yeah.
Oh, there's one.
Oh yeah, double up. Double up.
Doubles, baby. Hey, largie. Mine's a little better.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Catching some river largies.
Double up. Let mine go.
Looks, baby. Look at that's a pretty good one. It's like the first one we got. Both our sinks.
Right off that tree.
Freaking skipped that. Dude, I skipped it and...
There's one. Largie. Dang.
No.
Is it a first smallie of the day? I was wondering, I was like, this thing's fighting a little harder than a largemouth. Nice. Alrighty. First smallmouth of the day. Oh, dude, it's coughing up stuff.
What is it?
I don't know.
Little fish?
Yeah, I just coughed up a little fish. Let's let this little guy go. I don't know why he's bleeding. Wasn't hooked in the gills. Another look. There it goes. That's what it coughed up right here. Look.
Jacked up. He's swimming so.
That's what it coughed up, dude. Little minnow or something. All right, we decided to hit this spot right here. Looks pretty good. See if we can't get a smallie or largie to hit.
Yeah, there was a nice one that followed you. 20 feet above me.
Take your time. Oh my God, that's huge. Take your time. Take your time. Oh, dude. Braden just slammed one. Slammed another one.
Were you filming me lose? Did you
Yeah.
film me lose that last one?
Dude.
This thing didn't
Let's
really
see.
get a fight much, but
That's a decent
the
smallie.
one I caught was the one I just lost was probably about three times as
Here,
big as
I'll
this.
take a
This
photo
was like
for
a
you.
little pound and a halfer.
Braden's letting the bass go now. There it goes.
Yeah, that one I lost.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Little exploration trip with my brother. Walked 3 miles looking for holes along the river. Found a couple. Yeah, one way. We're walking back now. We would have stayed out longer. but I got work and walking back now. Caught 3 largies, 1 smallmouth, and missed a few other fish. And until the next video, send them home.